Today I am doing one Nissan Navara. That's the transmission problem, and you can see here is Nissan V44 transmission control module. We have to diagnose it. So what we're gonna do, we have to go in a transmission, have a look what code is coming on there, and you can see then I am gonna show you if you're gonna read the code. And that code is coming P1757. Front brake solenoid. Sometimes it's showing front brake solenoid, sometimes showing front brake solenoid open and short circuit. If you have the problem of this type of in your car, we can fix your problem. And if you have to bring the car or you have to bring the controller to us, we are in Hounslow, and we are near Heathrow. My name is Terry. We repair all type of ECUs and DSG CVT gearboxes. But we're gonna do today this Nissan Navara transmission control module. You have to remove it, or you have to bring the unit to us, or you have to bring the car. We're gonna do complete job. We will take it out, repair it, and put back. It's gonna be like take 3 to 4 hours, and the car will be ready. So if you have like the problem of in your car, you have to come to us, and then we're gonna repair your car in the same day. My phone number is 074025368382, and my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. So you can contact me anytime, and we're gonna solve your issue. We repair all type of Mercedes and German car with DSG, CVT, and A class, B class, and transmission control module as well. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp, email, and we will come back to you anytime. And then you're gonna book with me. My garage name is Hounslow Motor Limited in Hounslow. So you can contact us, and daytime, anytime you can call me, and then we're gonna book. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.